As a progressive dairyman, I'm always looking for the next level of efficiencies, and Zinpro's IsoFerm was something that I came across and wanted to try, and it's worked out really well. I'm Mark Osterkamp, owner of Osterkamp Dairy, located near Hereford, Texas. And through conversation with Jeff Wires, he mentioned Zinpro's IsoFerm as a feed efficiency tool. I was intrigued by the opportunity to reduce dry matter intake while maintaining the herd's milk production performance. Zinpro IsoFerm to me is a nutrient that feeds bugs in the rumen to create a healthier, more efficient cow. We saw an initial drop in intake followed by the increased health in the transition period, and then over the course of several months started to notice that not only was the intake consistently down, the milk production was starting to creep up. Yeah, sounds crazy, upwards of 10 pounds of peak milk per lactation group. After using Zinpro IsoFerm in the transition period, I saw what would be considered a good or average cull rate of 5% drop to 2%. Healthier transition cows ultimately need more pregnant cows and higher milk production. After feeding Zinpro IsoFerm for several months, and we started to see the peak milks increase, and they continued to increase. That's probably the moment I was like, wow, this stuff really works. Zinpro team has been top notch as far as processing more data than I have on farm through backups and spreadsheets that I provide them. I was able to see my actual data. It matched up with what I was seeing on farm. So it's not just smoke and mirrors. After modeling Zinpro's IsoFerm into our ration, it just showed to be a fit. You start in the transition period and move through the herd, but after the initial few weeks, we saw the drop in intake. A few weeks later, we started to see 2-week milk increase. A little bit later, we saw 4-week, we saw peak milks increase. Now we've been on product for 14 months and the repro's never been better. There's so many additives and nutrients out there that are all supposed to be magical. It's really neat to be able to feed one from a company that's 100% supportive and doesn't just want to make a sale. They want us to see a farm succeed. It's super cool to be able to feed a product like that and actually see results.